So I used to be this one really lazy, skinny, undisciplined kid who used to stay up late just to play video games until 11 p.m. And then the next day I woke up at 9 a.m. and basically have no goals whatsoever for my life. Well, actually, to be honest, I have some goals, but I can never stay consistent at executing those goals even for 7 days. I hated my life because, hey, I have no control whatsoever on which direction that I wanted to go in my life. Now, well, I'm not David Goggins right now, but at least now I have some level of discipline. Every single day, I wake up and do 100 push-ups before 5 to 6 a.m. And the best part that it's, fully documented on my Instagram, you can just check it out. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. This is July 10th, 2025, and this is going to be day 367 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, how do you actually stay consistent at doing the positive things that you wanted to have in your life? One thing that I notice here, what you watch on a day-to-day basis really change the way you think and behave. So, for example, 5 years ago, all the content that I watched on YouTube was just entertainment content all day long. Well, I'm not saying that entertainment content are bad. It becomes a problem, but it becomes a problem when it's just all the thing that you watch all day long, okay? So, 5 years ago, I was not watching something that can educate myself. I was not watching something that can improve my life on the long run. And yeah, basically at that time my brain was only obsessing about the not so important things and I'm just wasting my time. Then slowly the mindset shift begins when I started to watch David Goggins and Andrew Huberman and the self-improvement content creators. When you started to watch the right type of content on a day-to-day basis consistently, just started to watch one positive video from David Goggins every single day. And then, the next week you increase it to two. You are still going to, you are going to be having the urgency. Your brain is going to be having the urgency that, hey, you know what? I need to be implementing the things that David Goggins are saying. Or you know what? I need to actually change my life. It will make your brain slowly think and see the world in a different way. Well, you have all the choices to choose what type of content that you wanted to watch on a daily basis, so it's all up to you. Good luck, subscribe, like, comment, and share so that more people will see this message and also join our Discord. And yeah, for today's day authenticity post, today is July 10th, 2025, and today's memes are post a day, learn about yourself, post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.